Hello, this is Matt Jackson and Kelly Stover here with the final video in the Fundamentals of Industrial Engineering Excel tutorial series. We'll cover some logic-based functions today. First, we'll look at the if operator. This function requires 3 arguments. As always, you start with an equal sign and the function name, in this case if. The first argument will be the logical expression Excel should evaluate. In this example, we want to find all the machines with a low cost, that is less than 17,000. So we'll highlight the cell we're looking in, B2, and type less than 17,000, followed by a comma. The next argument is to tell Excel what to do if the logical expression evaluates to true. This can be a text string or a variable expression. In our case, we will type in the word buy, in quotes. The last argument is very similar to the second, but it is telling Excel what to do if the logical expression does not evaluate to true. In our case, we'll write don't buy, in quotes. After completing the expression, we'll see that the first cell will now say buy. After propagating the equation down the column, we can see that which machines we should and should not buy. The next thing we will look at is the conditional formatting option. We can use this to call attention to special items in our table. In our case, we'll practice with highlighting buy in green and don't buy in red. To do this, we will highlight column C and select conditional formatting from the Home tab. We'll select New Rule, and then select Format Only Cells That Contain, and then we can define our rule. Select Equal To from the second drop-down, and enter By into the box. Select Format and then choose a green color. Select OK, and all the cells with By in them will be formatted as green. We can use the same process to fill cells which say don't buy with red. Moving to sheet 1, we'll look at the if operator in conjunction with other operators. In column J of sheet 1, we'll create a list of the unique parts. So we copy column B and paste it into column J. Next, we sort the part numbers, and to remove duplicates from the column, we highlight column J and click Remove Duplicates on the data table. We now have a list of the unique part numbers. Let's say we are interested in finding the average time to machine each part across all machines. We could do this with a pivot table like we explored in video 4, but this is another method called average if. We begin the function with an equal sign and the words average if with no spaces. The first argument, called range, is the column containing the values we want to search, in our case, column B, which contains the part number. Next, the criteria is the value it should search for in that column. Average range is the column containing the values to average, which in our case is the time to machine, or column D. Propagating this equation down the column gives us the average time to machine for each of the unique parts. This concludes the Excel logic tutorial. Thanks for watching.